Hello guys. So this is a quick one on how to remove your green screen from your footage, right? So I have a video here that I'm going to use, right? Um, yeah. So how to remove that green from the screen? Just yeah. So Tessie asked this question. So let's jump right into it. So assuming you already have your video downloaded or wherever you have it in your system, open up Blender, right, and go to compositing, and you have this. Click on use nodes. I'm going to be fast because I don't want this to be long. So you can just rewind the video. So we have this render layers and composite, right? So delete this render layers, select and delete it, right? And then you're going to like shift A in your viewport. Just click here and just shift A and search for movie. And you see movie clip. So add this movie clip here, right? So you're gonna like go down, scroll down, just middle, and hold down your middle mouse button right to pan around your screen. Hold it down and just move around to pan. So click on open. So go to wherever you have your files, right? So I have my files here. This open clip, and then we have it here. See the thumbnail up here, but we can't see anything. So how do we see it? We need to enable like a node wrangler in Blender. Excuse me. To do that, go to edit, go to preferences, and go to add-on. If you're not there, click on add-on, go to search and click and just search for node, N-O-D-E, node. You see node wrangler. So make sure you check this on and then click here to save preference and then close. So once you're here, just click on this movie clip node and hold Ctrl Shift and left click on it. Ta-da! You have your preview here. Just select and move this aside, right? So we have this. I'm gonna like move this one right here. Just put it here. So when we come down to the timeline where you drag around or just play, your video is going to play. Obviously, it's just going to lag, right? So you can see it here. We are trying to remove this green screen. So before I go ahead, I'll go to my render settings and change the color presets. I'm going to go to film. I think is it film color management. Sorry, color management. Go to view transform. Change HGX to standard, and you can see the color mode changes. I don't know if you can see the difference. Do the same thing again. Can you see? Not this. So it gives us the right color values here to work with. Yeah, so do that and then let's remove this green and then we're done. So basically let's add a new node, come back to your viewport and hold Shift A and then search for key, K-E-Y, and then you see keying, click on keying and then you're gonna like add it here, right? So we have this. So like there's some bad things happening that we don't want because in our keying part of the node, we have keying color is white and we don't want white. We want to take out the green instead. So click on this white and then you see your color wheel. Click on this eye drop tool and then pick your green. Ta-da, and it's done. You have your black done. So if you preview render image, everything is black. You're wondering what's going on, right? We need to connect it to this composite. So we need like a kind of like a mixer node, which is called alpha over to join these two together. So select here, Shift A, search for alpha over. You see alpha over here, click on it and then just drag it here. Then we have this, just click on from the alpha over on image, click on the node here down to this image. And then we should have this, it's still not working right. So what this does is that we have factor and factor is set to 1, meaning it's going to pick out one of these. So we don't want it to pick out one of these, we want to pick the both of them. So we just take it to 0 instead, 0 and enter. And then everything here shows, you can see. Yeah, so this is black, right? So when we can click on V alpha or not. So let's go to render to preview render image. Tada, and we have this bigot. So meaning we've taken out the green, but we have black video. So we're not going to have any transparency. So let's just check on use alpha, and then let's go to render image, and then you see we have our transparency now, and then that's it. So all you need to do is just to go and render out your stuff as image sequence. Go to output, go to your folder here, select wherever you want to render your images or whatsoever. I don't know. Let me go to music. Let me create like a new folder. Test comp. Just name it, right? And then you can now name it green screen and then accept. So I'm rendering in PNG sequences, and then make sure you check RGB alpha so you can have our alpha. And then once that is done, you can just click on render and render animation, and then everything is going to render in frames. You get till you're done, and then that's it. You have your stuff rendered. So let me just go back to, let me just show you something. Go to the folder. So here it is here. Here it is. This is it's rendering in image sequences. Then once you're done, you can now import into your either into Blender or into Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or any other editing software you want to use. So I've come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying. You can see it's rendering everything out. Thank you guys. Bye.